You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city in Florida. If you want to learn more names of famous places around Florida, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you want to hear and listen to and learn from. Gainesville. That's how it's pronounced. Gaines. It's usually often a Z sound. Gainesville. Gainesville. Some may say it as Gainesville. It's usually Gainesville. How to pronounce. English pronunciation. Gainesville. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.